This is a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Its top features include a low tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: air conditioning, cruise control, a 7-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, privacy glass, front fog lights, dusk sensing headlights, an anti-lock braking system. And this vehicle has fewer than 7,000 miles on the odometer. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.